Welcome to today's video, where we'll be reviewing some of the best tools every DIY enthusiast and professional should have in their arsenal. Whether you're looking to upgrade your toolkit or need the right tool for a specific task, we've got a great list lined up. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Mileseey Laser Rangefinder. First up is the Mileseey Laser Rangefinder, a precision tool that's perfect for those working on home decoration or construction projects. Whether you need to measure rooms, walls, or areas, this rangefinder provides accuracy within 2 millimeters, making it a reliable companion for any task. It comes in multiple models to suit different needs. The X5 model is powered by 2 AAA batteries and includes a level bubble for perfect horizontal measurements. The X6 model, available in both rechargeable and non-rechargeable versions, adds functionality with an electronic angle sensor, which can measure angles in addition to distance, providing even more versatility. Whether you're measuring large spaces or fine-tuning your DIY project, this tool's continuous measurement feature ensures you get precise and consistent readings. Compact, lightweight, and portable, it is ideal for both home users and professionals. Number 4. Fujiwara Digital Calipers. Next up, we have the Fujiwara Digital Display Stainless Steel Calipers. These calipers are perfect for those needing precise measurements in their metalworking or DIY projects. With a 150 mm measurement range, these calipers can measure with extreme accuracy. They feature an LCD display, making it easy to read the measurements, whether you're working in metric or fractional units. The IP54 waterproof rating means these calipers are resistant to dust and splashes, so you can use them in a variety of environments. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and corrosion resistance, making them a long-lasting tool. The fine plastic box packaging ensures that the calipers are safely stored and protected, whether you're at home or on the job site. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, these calipers are a must-have for precise measuring tasks. Number 3. Luchshiy Paint Spray Gun. For those who love painting or need a reliable spray gun, the Luchshiy Paint Spray Gun is the tool for you. This airbrush tool is perfect for a wide range of applications, from car painting to arts and crafts. It comes with a 0.8 mm or 1 mm nozzle size, giving you flexibility depending on the project at hand. The gravity feed system ensures smooth operation, while the transparent paint cup lets you easily monitor the paint level. Number 2. Leiming Electric Drill Bit Sharpener. If you're looking for a convenient and effective tool to keep your drill bits sharp, the Leiming Electric Drill Bit Sharpener is a must-have. This sharpener is designed specifically for novices, making it easy for anyone to use. It is suitable for drill bits ranging from 3 mm to 12 mm, providing versatility for various tasks. The 96W electric sharpener operates at a no-load speed of 1350 RPM, making quick work of sharpening your drill bits. With its simple operation, you can keep your drill bits in top condition without needing professional sharpening services. The grinder also includes a drill positioning plate that ensures you sharpen your bits to the correct angle. Compact and easy to store, this tool is perfect for DIY enthusiasts or anyone who works regularly with drills. Number 1. 6 PCS Titanium Plated Tap Drill Bits. At number 1, we have the 6 PCS Titanium Plated Tap Drill Bits. These drill bits are made from high-speed steel and feature a titanium plating that provides durability and longevity, even in tough materials like metal. With sizes ranging from M3 to M10, this set covers a wide range of tapping tasks. These drill bits are ideal for those working on metalworking projects or anyone who needs to create precise threads in their workpieces. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.